In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete a page in Confluence. By the end of this video, you'll know how to safely remove pages, understand what happens to child pages, and restore deleted content if needed. First, open your Confluence workspace and navigate to the page you want to delete. Before continuing, double check that you've selected the correct page, especially if you have multiple pages with similar names. Once you're on the page, make sure you're in view mode, not edit mode. Then click the More Actions menu, represented by the three dots in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Delete. Confluence will display a confirmation dialog before permanently moving the page to the space trash. If the page contains child pages, you'll be given the option to delete only the parent page or delete the entire page hierarchy. Review the page structure carefully before confirming, especially if other team members may still be using those pages. If you're deleting an unpublished draft, simply choose Delete Unpublished Page. Since drafts aren't stored in the space trash, they can't be restored later, so make sure you no longer need the content. If you don't see the delete option, you probably don't have permission to remove pages in that space. In that case, contact your Confluence space administrator to request the required permissions or ask them to delete the page for you. After you confirm the deletion, the page is moved to the space trash, not permanently erased. A space administrator can restore it later if needed, as long as it hasn't been permanently removed from the trash. And that's how to delete a page in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.